It's really orange
Have a
in here.
drink. What?
I don't believe a word of it.
Hello! I'm going to put on show a terrifying creature called the Sky Foogle. Would you believe it, the little pig?
I am.
Brian Rosen, the Milk and Sugar King.
It's time to muck about.
Okay then, classics.
Oh,
We're off.
Let me get at him.
Wow. Kaboom. Kaboom. Wow. Kaboom.
Shut up, stinks.
Get off me! Kaboom. Kaboom. Kaboom.
Would you believe it, the things people do? Sue the pants off them.
It's just one of my tricks. You fool, Dave. My hamster died as well. No breathing! Quick! Get out! Get out of here! Hard luck, Dave. Always knew you were a bit weak. Kaboom!
Here comes Longbottom with the Longbottom.
Get off me! We're gonna catch the little... You can't catch me. I'm the speedy hamburger. You won't get very far. Watch the conquer. Get out of the way! I'm the fastest in the land.
No. Ow!
He started it.
It's not fair. I've had enough.
Keel over and die.
Ow!
Kaboom!
What's going on? What's the time, Mick?
Not a cloud in sight.
You did really well.
Mervyn, thank you. Let's do it. Melanie. All right.
Do you want a bit of help? I am angry.
Kaboom!
You're like a red devil. Yahoo! Bam!
Oh no! Kaboom! Kaboom! Kaboom!
Bam! Stand by. Whee! Watch out.
Kaboom!
Stand by for the dive bomb. Whee! Ka-flump.
I could kill you in 5 seconds.
Get off me!
Kaboom!
That's my ear.
Keel over and die.
Aha! I'm a wicked itch.
Kaboom! Kaboom! You're just a slab of meat.
Bam!
Whoosh! Stop right there.
Scram! Shram!
Kaboom! What?
Ow! Don't do that, you green sickness carrion.
Whoosh! You can't catch me. I'm the speedy hamburger. Oh no! Melanie! The Sky Foogle.
Now! Would you believe it?
Whoosh!
Oh no,
What am I
this
gonna
is
do?
horrible.
Kaboom! Watch out, everybody. Can I do it for you?
Ow! I got through!
Kaboom! Where do you think you're trying to go?
Damn!
Melanie! The Sky. Kaboom! Good Lord!
Stupid little thing!
Die! No!
I'm going to turn you into a goonie. Pow!
Kaboom!